Hello, today we are going to draw a drawing on one of the most beautiful looking and unique looking fruit, strawberries. Do you know why they look so unique? Because each fruit has around 200 of seeds, and these seeds are not inside the fruit. These seeds are actually on the surface of the fruit. So you can actually touch and see, and even in the drawing you have to draw the seeds too. So all the best. We are doing a drawing of strawberry and the strawberry juice. So let's keep the copy in landscape form, and then we'll just do a plan. We'll just draw a glass and the basket with strawberries, just positioning the subjects. None of the sketch is correct. Now we're going to start from the glass. So first we'll draw the oval on the top of the glass, and the oval has two lines. Then we'll draw the slanting lines and the portion inside the glass. Your copy must be straight so that you get the glass symmetrical. Then we'll draw the bottom portion of the glass and the designs inside the glass caused by the effect of light. Again, please ensure the glass is symmetrical. For that, you have to keep the copy straight. Now once the glass is drawn, we'll draw the strawberries on the right. First we'll draw the cut strawberry, and then we'll draw the leaf on top. Then we'll draw the second strawberry and the leaf on top. After that we'll draw the outer portion of the basket and then the designs inside it. Look at the distance between the basket and the glass and draw the basket accurately. Now we will draw the strawberries. First we'll draw the left strawberry, then we'll draw the bottom strawberry and the leaf, and then we'll draw the top strawberry and the leaf on top of it. After that we'll draw the strawberry on the right and the leaves on top of the strawberry. Also we'll draw the smaller strawberries between the strawberries. Last we'll draw the slanting line in the back. This is the end of the sketch. Now we will take red and start coloring in the glass wherever you see. In the juice portion, the red is in slanting A direction. Then we'll take vermilion hue and smudge red with vermilion hue, leaving a bit of white on the top, and the top region will smudge it with white. In the bottom portion of the glass, we'll apply a bit of grey, leaving the white gaps. Please be accurate in the positioning of vermilion hue. Now we will color the strawberries. In the cut strawberry, we'll apply a bit of pink, then smudge it with peach, and then in the center portion, we'll smudge the peach with white. In the rest of the strawberry, we'll take black and apply black wherever we see. Be very accurate in the black. Now we'll take red, we'll color the red in the cut strawberry. Also we'll apply red in the other strawberries, smudging with black. Now we'll take vermilion hue and smudge the red with vermilion hue in all the strawberries, and then smudge the vermilion hue with white. If you don't have vermilion hue, you can also use orange. Now you have to give the effect of the seeds on strawberry. For that we will take red and we'll make dots on top of the strawberries. You might have to press red little hard to get the dot effect. We'll apply dark green on the leaves wherever we see. Then dark green will get smudged by light green. In the basket, we'll apply dark brown wherever we see, leaving the gaps for the design. Then we'll apply ochre yellow in the basket. We'll apply black on the left side of the basket, just left of the left strawberry, and on the right of the left strawberry, we'll apply black there. And Ochre will smudge with dark brown. Now is the background time. We'll first take black and border the horizon line. We'll also take black and border in the top portion of the glass wherever we see, leaving the white gap, and in the bottom portion of the glass. Then we'll take grey. We'll color the grey in the background and inside the glass. Be very accurate. Don't go inside the white area of the glass. Then on the floor, we'll take light blue and apply light blue, leaving some white gap. Then we'll smudge the light blue with white, and last we'll take Prussian blue and apply Prussian blue as the shadow. All the best.